Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome. It's your girl Amber and I'm back with another video. So as you guys can tell by the title, I'll be showing you guys how I prepare my rice water treatment, and I'll be showing you guys how I apply it to my hair. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on that post notification bell so you get notified whenever I post. Let's get into the video. Okay, so as you guys can see, I already have rice in the bowl. I took about 3 tablespoons, and this is white rice. White rice is the best rice to use for rice water treatments. Okay, so I just added some water to rinse off the rice. And I'm just gonna massage the rice to get off all the dirt and impurities. Okay, I drained off the dirty water, so now I'm just gonna take a container. Make sure you get one that you can cover because rice water does smell bad, so you want to contain it. So now I'm just going to transfer my rice into the container. Okay, now that I added all the rice to this container, I'm just gonna take water, and it's room temperature water, not hot or cold, and I'm just gonna add it to the container. Okay, so now that I added the water, I'm just gonna stir the rice so that all the nutrients can circulate. As I mentioned earlier, rice water does smell bad once it ferments for about 24 hours. So to eliminate that bad smell, you could either add orange peels or an essential oil like lavender. I don't have lavender oil right now, so I'm just gonna add orange peels, and I'm just gonna put it right on top. Just like that. And then I'm gonna close it. And that is how I prepare my rice water treatment. Now I'm gonna let this sit for about 24 hours before I apply it to my hair. Okay guys, I'm back and it has been 24 hours. I forgot to tell you guys when I started this, so I put this in around 2:30 yesterday, so that would have been Thursday. So right now it's 2:48 Friday. So as you guys can see, I'm just rinsing out my hair to remove any product, and I'm using warm water to open up my hair follicles. So now I'm just applying conditioner to my hair, and I'll be using OGX argan oil, and this just basically prepares my hair for when I'm going to shampoo, because shampoo can be very stripping. So I didn't show me rinsing out the conditioner, but now it's time to apply shampoo, and I'll be using OGX keratin oil. And remember, it's very important to only apply shampoo to the roots of your hair and not on the ends. So when I do rice water treatments, I only shampoo my hair once. So now I'm going in with the conditioner, and it's the same one from OGX, Argan Oil. And once again, because my hair is thick, I'm going to split it in half and then apply the keratin oil conditioner to the half sections to make sure that all the hair strands are coated. I also finger detangle with the conditioner to remove some of the tangles. After I apply conditioner to each section, I'll twist it and then wrap it in a bun. I put on 2 shower caps and let the conditioner sit in my hair while I shower so it can do what it's supposed to do. Okay guys, I'm out of the shower and my hair is fully washed. There's no conditioner or anything in my hair. So now I'm just gonna apply the rice water treatment in 4 sections. So I already showed you guys when I transferred it in my spray bottle. So when I apply it, I'm also gonna comb it out and trim my hair. So I'm gonna spray from the root and then work my way down. Once I spray the root, I massage it in. Okay, so I just have this much left and I'm gonna spray it all in my hair. I don't want any left.
$2,000 later.
Okay, now that I have applied all the rice water to my hair, I'm just going to cover it up with a shower cap. And then wrap it with my towel to trap as much heat as I can. Okay, I let the rice water sit in my hair for about 5 hours or more. It really depends on how coarse your hair is or how full it is. Then I'm just gonna rinse it out with just cool water, not hot, just cool water, no shampoo, no conditioner, just water. And then after you rinse it out, you'll just style it to how you like it, moisturize, all that type of stuff. And that is the end of your rice water treatment. If you like this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on that post notification bell so you get notified whenever I post. Bye y'all.